Alright, how is everyone doing? Just double check that things are up and running. Are you coming up? Are you coming up? No, you're just throwing toys at me. Okay, that's fine. Alright. Tell you what, it's so nice today compared to yesterday. Like, the amount of rain yesterday was crazy. Will you stop eating everything? Are you coming up? Come on. Tell you what, he is in some mood this morning. I don't know what's going on with him. Ow. Ow. But, ooh, watch your head. Yeah, today I'm going to be doing a bit more on the Odin Project inventory application. It's been a little while. I've done a few things. Let me just switch over here. Wrong one, this one. So this is the I think he's finally settling. Right. Yeah, this was the task, basically just like build something with CRUD methods. There was a tutorial. Oh, you've got the ball. Thank you. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of noise in the background. I'm just going to apologize for that now. He's not settling at all. Yeah, so CRUD, I'm not gonna, one of the like extra credit points is adding a password. I'm not gonna do that, I don't think. I'm just gonna, I've implemented this, you know, images. Just gonna let anyone update, delete, whatever. You know, it's the Wild West, why not? So this is what I've got so far. I've done like a pet inventory so people can upload images of the pets. Obviously I've got Arthur in there a couple of times. I've got the show more, which is quite nice. I kind of like that. It is a bit weird that like it expands. I don't know. It's a little bit odd. And then, you know, view more pets. This is your pet list. We go to species. You can create a list of species. And then you can like organize and stuff. So it's pretty good. What I'm kind of focusing on today is this filter function. Again, like this is like all added stuff. Like this wasn't part of the spec really, but I kind of wanted to do it, push myself a little bit. So yeah, this is what I've done a little bit on it. So I can like filter on dog. If I apply filter, these are my dogs. I can do dog and fish, which is really nice, and apply, and I've got my fish. If I just do cat, I've got no species there, so, well, no pets. So then it says that. I'm kind of tempted to have like a cross here to clear them. I've got this button, which is really nice. But I'm also kind of in two minds. If I tick it, should it apply straight away, or do I have to click this apply filters button? Like, it seems a little bit too much to like click the button as well. But on the other hand, it's kind of nice to have that because then it's not calling to the database frequently, you know, if someone like clicks one by accident. So yeah, we can do number of legs 4 and apply filter. You know, it kind of works. There's a few things, like number of legs, for instance. Fish don't have legs, and I think I put like NA for, if I actually clear that, if I put fish down. Arthur, will you stop like throwing your sausage toy at me? I can't click the mouse, you little sod. Come on. He has been getting a little bit better at settling, but yeah, he's just not settling today. I just love playing with him, to be honest. There you go, you can win. Yeah, so if I click on fish, also that's something I need to fix. That should really be a label, which when I click on it, it should check it, but you know, I can fix that pretty quickly. See here, it's got like NA for legs, but there's not an option for NA for legs here, which is pretty bad. I can't actually remember how I do it. Number of legs. I wonder if 0, I need to double check my code. I wonder if 0 just puts it as NA, or if I leave it blank, it might be NA. Yeah, I'll think about it. What else is on my list of things? Let's just get the code up. So yeah, that's what I'm working on today. The filter goes on items, really weirdly written. Um, pet crate update, you know, the image is too sensitive, so that's kind of this issue where it spans across the whole thing. I kind of just need to make it the same size as maybe the image. That would be a little bit better. That's why I added this button border thing around it, because I kept clicking down here and like opening the image, and it was just really, really sensitive. Pet details. So if we go back to the pet card, I'm not going to be able to do this today. Actually, why? Interesting. I don't have a link anymore. That's not good. Can I just get rid of that? Yes. Okay, I need to write that down as a note. Wrong one. Pet card in pets doesn't link to pet detail. Okay, that's good. So yeah, I don't think a card really works for the pet detail. And I've written that down as a note somewhere, but I haven't redesigned it. So if anyone's got any ideas on what would work here, please let me know, because I'm so bad at designing. But yeah, main focus, get everything in here for now. Then I can probably fix a few other things while I go about it. Let's close that off. Close the readme off for now. Don't really need it. Oh yeah, the other thing, what I was trying like earlier this week, I can't remember when. This, I really wanted it to have like this nice smooth animation, like show and close. I could get the show working, but the close would like kind of stagger a little bit, and I just could not wrap my head around why. So I've just like got it as a D non right now, like a display non. And obviously you can't animate a display. Maybe do like an opacity on it at the same time, but I don't think it's really worth it. The other thing I tried to do was like have species as a drop down list. And when I was trying to do that at the same time as like animating, it was just like a nightmare. So I'm just going to have them as like little columns, whatever. It should work. He's kind of calmed down a little bit. I need to pull myself a little bit closer to the desk though. One thing, normally why sells really well in this room, I've got this plastic bone for him. And last night he was just like going to town on this bone. And little bits of plastic have started coming off of it, so I've taken the toy away from him. I need to get him a new one. But I don't think I'll be able to do that till next week, unfortunately. So he's going to have to make do with the crazy amount of toys he already has. So, pet list. Let's do this. Yeah, I don't know whether to put a cross on here. I might do that. Did I? Let me double check. I've got partials which have my header. I do have font awesome. Let me just have a think. Yeah, because this is like my pill section. Like if I was using Vue or React, this would be so much easier. But I'm using EJS for this right now. Alright, what's needed? So I've got number of legs. Let's just open up like this at the same time. Species I've got, name, there's no point filtering on name, that's a bit weird. Let's do like name contains, but no, that's bizarre. Gender, let's do gender. Maybe put gender before number of legs. Just duplicate this up. For gender. Type, I don't need a type. Should I? Oh. This is the problem about not using a drop-down list. I might have to keep the same styling as this, where I've got species with like a checkbox. I should do the same with like everything that is a drop down in this case, I think. So male, female, unknown, date of birth. Hello. Don't lick my microphone. He just before he came up, and he just like licked my face, like glasses and everything. I was like, great, great. This is going to be interesting. The gender is going to be a checkbox, that's fine. Date of birth on the filter, I'm going to change that to be age, and I'm just going to have to calculate that. And I'll have to probably check the documentation because I can't remember how to do between dates for Mongo filtering. That's totally fine. Number of legs, that's already in there. Color is going to be interesting. If we go back to like the pet list, I've got like liver and white, and I don't think I've put a color here for this one. No, I haven't. So color really should be like a contain search if I was doing it within like a, maybe if it was SQL, I would do like with percentages and stuff. So that's going to be interesting. Probably one I'll have to double check the documentation. It shouldn't be too difficult to do. But gender is the first one, so let's get that in now. Gender. I've got caps locks on. Whoops. Gender. ID type is checkbox. Checkbox. Don't have a main or a step. On change populate. And this is something else that kind of annoyed me. Is like I kind of wanted one function to populate all these filters, but it was like kind of being a little bit specific. It's just going to be loads of case statements, so I'm going to write the function per pill, really. Data name, I don't know if I need that. I can't remember. I don't think I'll need a prefix. Gender. Name, gender, that's fine. Value. Gender. Oh, this is not. That's not quite what I need. No. That should be like male. And then this is what I need. I need to double check that filter options. Yeah, why have I not got a label here? That's so bizarre. So filter options. Gender is equal to male, checked, otherwise unchecked. I think that should work fine. It always looks like I've done something wrong with this code because it's like red. Ooh, that's not gonna work. Let's get rid of this actually. Type checkbox on filter gender. Name, gender, this is female. And I need an unknown, don't I? But I can't remember the value of what unknown is. Is it gonna be in my models? I don't think so. It's not there. Where would it be? Pet form. NA. Oof, that's not good. NA and NA. Name. Gender. Ooh, this isn't good at all, is it? What am I actually doing here? This is what? This should be a span, right? And then I'm going to put a label. Hello again. Go on, settle. Go to bed. No, he's not listening. So that should be a span. And then I want a label here. Yes. Can I help? And this should be male. It's so difficult to type when a dog jumps up at your arm. No. Female. Now I can put F4 on here. I'm going to prefix this gender unknown. Male. Female. Okay. And then I can put IDs back here. ID equal gender dash male. Oh, I should have put spaces in. Unknown, and then last one is female. Is that gonna look right? That looks actually awful. But at least those check. So I need to obviously put a deflex in, wrap them in a div or something. Okay. My coffee is getting a bit cold. Double check if that looks good, and then I'll just apply it to the rest. I need a little bit of margin, I think, on the label, right? Margin start 2. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. So let's just duplicate that for the others. Div dot deflex. I am not able to type today. So it's Father's Day today. Hey, it's Father's Day in the UK today, and my mom has apparently, as she said, Arthur may have bought me a gift. It's like, oh, she was proper lush, me man. To be fair, Arthur's bought me stepdad a Father's Day gift as well. But they haven't given it to us yet because we're going out for a meal today, which is going to be quite nice. Just a little lunch, going to a chippy, which should be good. I feel like I've not had fish and chips for ages. I need to close this dev tool so it's like doing my head in. Okay, that looks good. I don't know. Let me just apply filters. And I got rid of that. Hello again. Funny, like it's been a proper pain doing this with are you coming up? Come on. He just looks at me like I'm daft sometimes, honestly. Hey, ball. Yeah, so doing like an array was a bit of a pain. I had to do, where is it? Yeah, this in operator for Mongo filter. And then like I passed the filter options back through to the view, and I had to remove the in operator. And I've just realized I'm gonna have to do that again for the gender, which is a real pain, but I want to double check what it looks like. So let's just do console.log filter options. What are you doing? There's nothing in that bag. Oh, he actually caught the toy for once. He's like so uncoordinated at times. It's quite funny. So let's try this. Let's remove male and apply the filter. Let's just double check. Number of legs is blank. To be fair, I do delete it if it is blank. I should have put it in afterwards. Then I'll do male, apply filter. So I get gender equals M, that's good. If I do female, so this should be an array, and it'll probably break, to be honest. It did not break. But it is an array. Why did it not break? Huh, weird. But I want to double check if I... Oh yeah, there it kind of breaks. If I like... what's the best way to test this? Put it back onto male, this opens up. And then if I remove it... Okay, good, it's not there. So... let's copy this down. I kind of feel like it should be a function to do this. Oh, that's not going to work. I don't think. I've just realized. Gender. Gender. I don't think this is going to work. Just refresh. So male, if I apply, that's ticked. Female, I apply. They're still not ticked. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to work. Let's just cut this. I want to put it before I pass it back through to the view. Just want to double check what I'm getting. I do just get an array. What's the best way of doing this then? So I've got an array. I need to do it in DevTools. I just can't think whilst looking at that. So I've got test, so test dot contains M. I don't think it's contains, is it? No. Search. Nope. It is test, isn't it? Yeah, test. Index of. I'm an idiot. Index of. Yeah, so if index of is greater than -1, it's checked. Index of male greater than -1. We do that. Oh. Ah, thanks for the follow, mate. So this is index of, again, I don't know about the unknown one. I think that is not a good idea. -1. Last one. I don't know why I didn't copy and paste. Greater than -1. Let's see, does that work? Also, maybe having a low blood sugar. Not quite. Adams, how's it going? Yeah, so they're both ticked now. Let's clear the filters. I don't know why I didn't just... Ooh, that's not good. Errors everywhere. I know what it is. So I've done index of on genders, which potentially doesn't exist. I kind of feel like I'm not a big fan of putting all these conditional checks in. I'm almost tempted to be like in my pet controller. If like the property doesn't exist in the object, create it so it's just null. Ah, thanks. Yeah, I'm just building the inventory application. So I've been going through the Odin project. Double check that works. And I'm on the node section, really enjoying it, to be honest. Really enjoying node. It's nice to actually be building kind of things with databases. Although I really wish it was SQL. I'm like so disappointed SQL is not taught anywhere, to be honest. But yeah, I'm having a good time. Where am I from? I'm from UK. How about yourself? And for once, we're actually having nice weather. Yesterday was torrential. That's unknown, and then female, apply. Nice, that all works. I just need to get the yeah, I need to get the clear filters and the pill working. Nice. Hungry, nice. So you a developer yourself as well? Learning or just interested in coding? Populate gender pill. Let's go down here. I have a small store. Nice. ID prefix non element by pill ID. For 5 of them. I'm not too sure what that is. This almost worked. This is why I shouldn't like copy and paste code that I've previously written, because 9 times out of 10 it doesn't work. Yeah, because I use dataset name. I don't need to do that anymore. It can just be value. I'll check the link out in a little bit. Okay, that didn't work either, because I did it in the wrong place. Dataset name, this one should be value. Male, female, unknown. I really don't like NA. Ah, cool. What kind? Like, is it JavaScript or other types of scripts? And that's not worked. So init, I need to get rid of this. Populate gender. Oh, nice. For front end svelte. I've never really looked into svelte. Is it any good? I know a bit of C#, but it very, very limited. It's not my favorite language. Something I'd like to do, but it's just, it confuses me a little bit. I don't need that anymore. Actually, I don't. Will you please stop wrecking the place? Yeah, Arthur. Settle. Ah, he doesn't care. Super easy and fast, yeah. Let's delete that. And I might have to rename this. Species. Checkbox, that's fine. Honestly, my dog is just wrecking the place. You like my accent? Accident? You like my accent? I don't feel like I've got much of an accent. I am a Geordie, but it's a very weak Geordie accent. Come here. Okay, he's not listening to me at all. The real British accent. I know most people would say London. Yeah, London's probably the real accent. If I well trained dog, he is not well trained. He's coming up 6 months now, and he has my life. Honestly, he oh, come on. Trying to train him to jump up. He'll jump up normally, but he won't do it on command. Come on. Yes. There we go. Oh no, he's not too small. He's a Springer Spaniel. He was the smallest of the litter, I believe, but he's grown up quite a bit, thankfully. Yeah, he can jump. Right now, I'm getting my garden kind of landscaped next month, hopefully. And the reason I need to get it landscaped, I've got a small fence on one side of my garden, down, and he's already jumped the child gate, so he can jump the fence. So I need to get some larger fences put in. And when I take him out for a walk around the back, like out my back garden, he knows we're going for a walk. He will almost he'll jump like using the large fence I've got on one side, and he can probably get to my height jumping, and that's just like a little bit terrifying. Yeah, best choice. I was kind of torn between getting a Labrador or Springer Spaniel or even like a German Shepherd, to be honest. But like I've had a few Spaniels growing up when I was younger, so I know the breed's really nice. I've also had a German Shepherd, to be fair. But I thought as a first dog, German Shepherd is just going to be too much. Like, they are big, strong dogs. Do you have any dogs yourself? I just think they're great. Apart from when he's doing my head in. Yeah, you got dogs? What kind? Okay, that's weird. If I apply filter. Oh, you don't have dogs. German Shepherds are good. Yeah, yeah. I also love huskies, like, but they're on another level, to be honest. Oh, you had a cat. Cats are really nice if they will like cuddle you, but I find like if they get too aggressive, I can't deal with cats too much. Oh, there we go. You're gonna help me code. Oh, that's a spacebar. just wrestling him away from the keyboard. You saying hi? And I feel kind of bad. Like today, I'm gonna have to leave him in the crate because we're going out for lunch. And I feel bad leaving him alone. I just want to take him everywhere. So, oh, bless. Oh, that's sad news. All right. Good boy. He's nope. I don't know what he's doing, to be honest. He's like kind of sat on my lap. He is a good boy. He does my head in at times, and he's a proper sod, but he is a good boy. The weird thing is, when he meets other dogs, he's like totally submissive, which is so bizarre. He'll like go down, and he pees with excitement and everything. It's just crazy. I'm super fortunate I can take him into work. I don't think I would have got a dog if I couldn't take him to work. There we go. But I have to carry him down the stairs. It's so embarrassing. he's like he's like quite a big dog now. Hello. And I have to carry him down the stairs because if he meets someone while I'm walking him down the stairs to go outside, he will pee on them. And it's like, please stop peeing on everyone. Yeah. Today is raining? No, it's actually quite a nice day right now. I do think it's going to rain later on. Like, I've already taken out for one walk. So, yesterday you only got one walk because honestly, the rain that... What's happened there? That's gone a bit weird. What's actually happened there? Ooh, that's not good. Yeah, he only got one walk yesterday because the rain properly came down. So he was really hyper in the evening. Like he was just... When a dog has the zoom, it's quite fun to watch, but also it's just like a whirlwind. It just runs and runs and runs. Why is this changing? It's like it's getting a second pill. I don't know why. Pill. Gender. Oh, yeah, I know what I've done. I think. Where is my code gone? It's down here. I didn't change this. Let's refresh. So I got male, female, not. Yeah, nice. Apply. The gender, now I need age, and age is going to be an interesting one. Have I actually calculated age? If I go to my pet control... Oh, I have. Ah, well done, past me. I've got a virtual for age, so I don't actually have to do anything. What are you doing? I'm pretty sure I can... Oh. Can I pass age through? In my controller? I think I can. We'll try it. Pet list. Populate age pill. Age. That should be capital A. And also a space. He is just destructive. This will be age here. Value goes null, so that's clear. Populate leg pills. We'll just. I hope you can't hear that too much. He's just like scratching his bed and trying to destroy it. I really should have changed this. Like, I don't like hard coding that here. Where's that console log? There we go. We'll delete that one. But I think for now that is going to be fine. Hey! What have you done? So I've got age pill. I need to actually create the pill now. Let's go and do that at the top. And then need another one similar to legs, which is going to be age. Age min 0, yeah. Really, I think like age should be a between, like a min and a max. But for now, on ease, I'm just gonna leave it as like select an age filter on it. If it's not got any, that's your problem. Oops. And pet controller, let's do this again. Enough. So destructive. Age, if filter options with the age. All right, let's have a look. What does that do? Lose my voice. And I've left the prefix there, the label in as incorrect. So age, where are you? Age. Age. Oh, my keyboard's gone to American. That was bizarre. So age, do 0. That's not right, is it? What's happened here? Age 0. Can I not use a virtual when filtering? That's going to be pretty bad. Yeah, that's not good. I have to Google that. MongoDB virtuals for filtering data. Then filter the populated document. So here he's doing a number in stock. Ref local field options match status. Yeah, I have no idea what this is meant to do. The options match. Okay, that's not gonna work, is it? In Mongoose, this is 2 years ago, mind. Querying on a virtual property. Oh god, this is 10 years old. I thought he was settling, but he's not. He's just like licking the floor. Add a match object in the Mongo filter query to filter by status. Add count a true. Should look something like this. I'm going to see if I can get this working. I don't know if I'm going to, but let's give it a go. So I need match. Why do I need count as true though? MongoDB filter date between. Finding data between two dates. Perfect. That's what I need. Greater than, ISO, and less than. Ooh, this is gonna be a challenge. Let's try it. So in my pets, see, I've written mine totally different to their example as well, which is not great. Mongo DB virtuals with filtering. Yeah, I know. I am struggling here. Trying to get age working for my filter. But because age is a virtual, I don't think I can just pass it straight through as a filter, basically. Where's my code? So this is my current way of writing it. I get the age, and that's perfectly fine. That works. But this, I don't think, is filtering. So I'm using, what am I using? Node, Express, and Mongo. And then I'm using EGS for the views. I really wish it was view. I think that would make things a bit easier, but then I need to have like two different projects almost, or two folders, I guess. Yeah, the Odin Project teaches MERN, and I really don't like the MERN or mean stacks, to be honest. I don't think I've ever seen a job post that says, yeah, we use MERN or mean or whatever. But it's more just like, once you've kind of learned something, you can then apply your knowledge to other things. It's a lot easier then. I've not tried Svelte at all. Probably is one of the things on my list. I've got loads on my list that I want to learn, to be honest, which is really difficult. It's Svelte kit. Oh, okay. Query the virtual fields. One stock this. User model, find. Constock, yeah. We already have a virtual field. I'm gonna have to do something clever. Maybe, or just an absolute bodge of a job. I think that's what I'm gonna go for. What I'm thinking of doing. So finding data creator, basically this. I keep losing my code. What I'm gonna try and do is replicate that option. So I would do filter options dot, I think I called it date of birth, maybe. Yeah, date of birth is equal to, I can't remember. It should actually be an object. Not an array. My bad. And I don't need a second one. That was weird. Switch case. Yeah, how would you use a switch case in this option though? Because are you thinking about getting rid of like all of them with a switch case? So you'd have to do something like switch filter options case species is equal to blank. Delete filter options dot species. Then you'd have to do something similar. But does this pick up the property from here? Yeah, probably does, doesn't it? I can do age. Not equal blank. That was weird. Break default. I should put a break in here because I don't need to do anything. App crashed. Why did it crash? Oh yeah. That should be a bracket here. I'm very concerned because he's just gone like really quiet. He's under my desk. He's not chewing anything yet. So I need const less than date equals what? How do I calculate the less than date? My mind has just gotten, to be honest. I need to write it out in words. So age is a floor. Age is an int, which has been floored. I need min and max. I need date of birth from age. We don't. So like in this case, I was passing through 0. Where is my code? Where is my example? Yeah, like I was passing through 0. So 0 could mean like anything from today to the 15th of June 2023. So it's like almost a 12-month span. I could do that actually. That might work if I just like -1 off. That would pretty much, like in this example, I would -1 off. And I do less than, sorry, greater than. And then the other way around, I would do less than, not inclusive. Yeah, let's try that. So that equals a new date dot get time minus age times 60 seconds times 60 minutes for an hour times 24 times 365. And again, new date on that. I just want to console log it. Let's is my code working? Yeah. Oh. That's not good. This is why I can you add subtitles to the stream? Well, I've never done that. How do I add subtitles? I actually have no idea. Advanced? Nope. Let's have a look. That link you just sent. I'm gonna add a plugin first. I'm not sure I'll be able to do that today, but I will make sure it's on for next time. I wonder how accurate it would be as well. Streams only. Output to Twitch. Yeah, I'll do some investigation. Make sure I can get it up. I don't know if it will be on YouTube. Let me just double check. No, it doesn't look like it is. It's unavailable on YouTube as well. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I'll double check that. Yeah, he is just wandering around. Yeah, I don't know if I can use a switch statement actually, because I have the property species within filter options, but later on I use species. So it's causing a bit of an issue. Oops. I just like say this is really bad naming, but species 2, for instance, is that gonna fix it? I don't think so. Yeah, number of legs is not defined. Yeah, I don't think I can use that. Interesting. Unless I switch JavaScript with object. Hello you, what's up? I might have to let Arthur outside for a second. Fruit case console. Strawberries. This is not an object. Yeah, I might have to switch it back to an if statement just to get things. This might work, but it seems a bit weird. Oh, yeah. Give me 5 minutes. I just need to let Arthur outside. Hello. He was not going outside. He was being a right pain. I'm just trying to think if there's a better way. Let's undo this. Species is fine. I don't really want to do something like... I was thinking something like that. Not like... But then it kind of makes it a bit pointless to have a case statement, doesn't it? Number of legs, number of species. This one is age. Also, I need to delete that. I've just realized this should be +1 as well. To ISO date is not. Let's comment this out. All right. I mean, that did not work as planned. Why am I only getting 1 back? Age 2. What have I done wrong? Oh, that was weird. He is really not in a good mood. I mean, Arthur, the dog. And he's just... There we go. Alright, calm down. Oops, let's close that. Jesus. Alright, I think it's because it's trying to filter age right now. Let's move that. I've got a console log somewhere. Let's move this back up to here. Just want to refresh and double check what's going on. Age is 2. So why is it finding the fish though? Oh, also it's doing this case statement's not working. I'm gonna have to go back to the if, unfortunately. If this delete. Yes, Arthur, I know. Just almost easier to cut and paste, isn't it? We'll delete this. Settle. I don't want to leave him downstairs on his own. So I have been doing that a little bit recently, right? And the other day, he destroyed my kitchen mat. So he's lost the privilege of being downstairs by himself. Like, I mean, he shredded the kitchen mat. It was everywhere. Well, all the rubber part on the bottom of the mat, at least. Like, I just don't know how he did it. This is, like, getting even worse. Like, age is 2. Oh, yeah. Did my console log work? On console log. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? Almost. Oh, I've missed 1,000 off. I was thinking like something's not quite right with my age here. But I need to times it by 1,000. Plus 1. You are being... I might have to put him in his crate, you know. Ow! That's enough. Oh, your claws are getting sharp again. I only had his claws cut 2 weeks ago, I think? Maybe not even 2 weeks ago. Maybe a week ago. And they grow back so quickly. Like, it's crazy. We're just currently playing Tug of War with a donut, so don't mind my hand. I'm trying to type with one hand here. Refresh. No, what have I done wrong? Now, did I have it? Just delete that again. I want to double check. Refresh the page. I've gone too far. So I do need it by 1,000. What is going on here? New date, get time. Let's just... can you give me advice on how I can learn English grammar? Oh, I am not a language expert, if I'm honest. I've tried learning a couple of languages myself and they just don't click. I have heard that like some people would say like study grammars, others just say listen to native content. Because it's... I mean, grammar is a difficult subject anyways. 0 plus 1. Yeah, so I'd probably just like listen to content. I know Anki cards are really good as well if you're set on studying proper grammar. And you know, there's teachers out there like italki. Was something I tried a little bit, but I just unfortunately didn't really have the time to study. That is correct, isn't it? So this should be 1 year, and if I do new date, which is today, minus whatever this is. Get time. I don't know why this function isn't working. Not the function. Get time. I've lost the bottom of my screen. New date of the time. Yeah, that's right. 17th of June, 2023. So let's times that by 1,000. New date dot get time minus that, which is what I wrote here. New date dot get time minus, and then I did new date of it. What is going on here? Filter age. Let's change the age to 0, so it's actually what I'm trying to do. Yeah. Was I doing something really stupid before? Let's try 2. I know what I've done. I think. Let me just verify it. Console.log. I think that's putting 21 as the age. Yep. Called it. Perfect. Well, perfect in a way. I got the less than age, now I need the greater than age. That is plus 1. Just 2. I'll give you a treat just to try and calm you down. Just throw treats at the dog to try and keep him happy. Yeah, I think that might work. So if I then... I forgot what the syntax was. Date of birth. Filter options, date of birth. Equals... Why did it say like ISO date wasn't a thing? Greater than or greater than, not. Get date. And then it's less than date dot get date. If this works, I'm going to be surprised. There are no pets. Don't think that's worked how I thought it would. Oh, but get date. Yeah, I can just. No, it should be get ISO date, right? ISO string. I've forgotten the syntax. I really hate dates. Like, excuse me. They are so bad to work with. Get ISO. Is that ISO? To ISO string. To date string? No. Get UTC. That is to ISO string. Can I pass a formatter through? I've forgotten what it is. No. EN. Is that right? No, I don't think that's right at all. Another Google. JavaScript ISO date string without time. Yeah. Could set hours. Yeah, that might actually work. Or just do a substring. The easier option's always best, right? And I have got a semicolon in, delete that. I think my blood sugar is going a bit low again. I've got these the wrong way around. This should be greater than, and this should be less than. Nice. Okay, and if I do 2, I think 0 is going to be inclusive. Yeah. I really wish I could like move my camera a little bit more, just to show you what Arthur's doing. He's just like wrecking his bed, like throwing it around and everything. I need a dog camera. Have I done something wrong with my... I have, haven't I? I have definitely done something wrong. It should not be inclusive. This should be minus. And shouldn't plus 1. I think. Yeah, there are no pets. If I go back to 0. And what was the fish was like 54 or something. I'll put something weird in for the fish. Just clear that for a second. Yeah, it was 54. So why did that not come up? 54. Ah, why did I not get a fish back? Any idea? I need to open up MongoDB just to double check what it is. MongoDB. Where are you? Oh, I've got to sign in. I want to double check what my fish's data error occurred. What's going on here? This is the one I want. All right, let's see. Database. Oh, wrong thing. Browse collections. I don't know why it's under test. I also need to delete items, instances, and categories. Anyways, fish. Oh, that's species, wrong one. Bob, fish, image. Well, that's bizarre. Oh, no. I'm an idiot. You know. I think it's used default dates, hasn't it, when I've done my virtual? It has. So I need to say this date of birth, else no. I think that's my issue. Is it? If I clear this. Yeah, so now it doesn't have an age, which is going to make it hard to filter by again, but okay. Age is done. God, this is taking me a long time. I might also shorten these. 1 second. He keeps, you'll probably not be able to see it, but there's like a bit of string. He keeps like getting them off his bed because he keeps attacking in his bed. He's gone through, actually, to be fair, he hasn't gone through that many beds when I think about it, because I've stopped giving him beds. But I think he's gone through 3 beds, like wrecked them. Come on. He's open it. Oh no. Oh, he is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Color is next. MongoDB filter contains. I want to find one. I am so tempted to put him in his crate. Search. That might be a good one. Search. Create index. Nah, let's not create an index. I really should actually create an index. Let's just do this with a bit of regex. Try and distract him with treats so he doesn't keep destroying his bed. I don't think it's gonna last because he just hoovers up treats. Weirdly, not when he's outside. When he's outside, he just... There's too many new smells and sounds, he just does not listen. Okay, let's try adding color. Did I call it color or should it be called something else? I did call it color. It's a bit of a weird name to call it, isn't it? I don't know. I can just copy this. Looks for color. Color type text. Get rid of the min and the step on change. I need. I also don't like that I've started to write things as an American spelling. Color. Color, right. That's fine. I've got the pill. I need to create this. Name is color. Okay, we'll go down here. He's just a nightmare. Is that everything? No, it's not everything I need. I need here. I need color. Color and then color one more time. I've left the wrong label in. I always do that. Okay, let's try it. Liver. Apply. There are no pets. That's fine, but let's have a look at what I get. He's just... Alright, I'm just gonna put him downstairs in his crate. Give me 2 seconds. Alright. He's only going to be in there for about half an hour because I need to head off around 12 anyways. So, I've got color back. I just need to update. Ooh. This is going to be interesting. Else, that should be color as well. Color is equal to, I think they just used Jason, not Jason. Where was it? This one? So I need to prepend it. I don't know if this is gonna work. Or should I write it as like new regex, I think? But I need to like undo that as well. I'm gonna see what this is like. Might not work. So that's what I was thinking is gonna happen. I thought the pets would return something. Huh. Why did it not return anything? That's the question. Also, let's delete this. I don't need that anymore. Why did that not work? So I've got liver. Is it because it's a string? I think it is, isn't it? But if I do this instead, I don't know if I'll be able to split it back out, if that makes sense. So if I do that. So that works, but this bit is what I'm not too happy with. What is the best way to do it? My first thought is like, let's original color equals filter options dot color, and then at the end I'll just replace that. But I'm not a big fan of this filter options dot color. Also here I've used the U. Let's get rid of the U for now. Oops. It's just like my English language coming in. So yeah, that worked. And there are no pets, even though I've got a goldfish, but I don't think I gave him a color. Nice. Yeah, so I think that's the filtering done. I just put like age 2, this should return nothing, right? Yeah. And clear filters and apply. So let's quickly fix these labels as well, actually, while I'm in this kind of zone. So this should be really a span. And I need this to be a label. Label. For, ooh. Let's do this slightly differently. I don't know if this is a good idea. I don't think it's going to work either. I did. I kind of don't like that little, you see the little jump it's doing? Kind of don't like that, but I might live with it. Let's make these a little bit smaller as well. Input. Just max width, let's just say 80 pixels. Yeah, let's do that. I feel like I'm going to sneeze. Gender's fine, it's the text ones, isn't it? Let's just do inline styling. Oh, maybe 100 pixels. Just to keep them a little bit uniform, because that should work for all of them. Maybe. Yeah, kind of happy with that. Huh. What's happened now? Invalid time value at date to ISO string. What's happened there? Age is blank. Did I not delete age? If age is equal, no, I didn't. Let's go back. Let's say view more, and it's still not right. If age is equal to blank, why is it going down here? Why is it doing that? I don't think this is going to solve my issue, but let's... Nope. Catalog. It just errors straight away. Huh. If filter option age, delete age. Why is it going down here? Invalid time. Date.toISO pet controller 3343. 33. Was this it? Yeah, 43. Let's go view more. Why is it doing this? Date to ISO string. But that's going to be the same. Why is this suddenly just broke? No. I'm actually lose me mind. App crashed. Unexpected token. I don't need a return, do I? No. Where is the unexpected token? Let's undo all this. Go down, refresh. App crashed. Why is the app crashing? Greater than date, date, less than date. Just want to double check what's happening. Invalid date, invalid date. But it shouldn't be going into here, right? Maybe it is. Yeah, it was. Because age wasn't actually defined, so it wasn't equal to blank. That was a stupid mistake. Maybe the clear button should do a database call. I'm not too sure on that. I'll think that one through. So what's anything else I can do in like 15 minutes? I don't know what there's padding at the end of popular pets. I'm pretty sure I've done that. Filter is done. That's still to be done randomly. Oh, I need to fix that actually. Pet cards in. Let me double check what this was meant to be. So if I go to pet inventory. I don't know what that padding was for. I think it's because I've got gap on now. Do this. Nope, wrong one. Do this. Maybe that's what I need it for. Ooh, that's looking a bit awkward, isn't it? Min. It should be like 10. Yeah, I need to do mobile styling though. Let's add that to my list now. Mobile styling. So this one I can quickly fix wherever my index page is. Where is it? There it is. Margin bottom. Let's do. I don't think I've got padding bottom, have I? Oh, we'll see. Yeah, I do have padding bottom, but maybe 3. Yeah, 3. And padding or margin? Let's go with margin. Okay, I can't click anymore. It should be exactly the same. Yeah. Cool, let's do that. And I've just opened up that somehow. Margin 3. Okay, let's get that off the list as well. Then hopefully get this done as well. 10 minutes, easy. And could probably just do that one. That's just the styling. Oh, I don't know why I cleared that one. So that was pet form. We'll do that one first. Inputs, description, images, deflex. Is it because it's a deflex? Max content. Don't know if that's good enough, but we'll see. Pets, create. Yeah, that'll do. Has this actually got a fixed width on? It does have a width of 200. Should I just make it 200? Let's see, can I choose a file? If I change that to 200. I've got DevTools open on the other page. I'm sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. Nah, I'm gonna leave it as min content. I think that's best. If I untick that, then you gotta see the name. Yep. So that's max content, sorry, not min. Readme. That'll do. I don't know why I've lost the links. So it should be a card. If I just like wrap it all in an A tag, href, will that mess up any of my styling? Shouldn't do. It's all indent this. Keep it nice. I should really put prettier on. It does mess up my styling. Why? Why does it mess up my styling? Height, auto? Nope. Get rid of that. Display flex. Wait, has something gone really weird with my tag? Let's just do this briefly. So it should be pet.url, I think. Actually, can't remember. Click on it, yeah. Okay. Like, why is this A tag not closing? Like, why is it there? And my code is correct, right? Ahref. Have I got like something which doesn't close? Div. A tag is there. Another A tag is there. I actually have no idea. Huh. Href. Just want to see if this will break. Well, it will break, but I just want to see what it does as well. There is definitely something wrong with that A tag I've just written. Right? Like, why does the card footer not close? Card footer is there. Card body. Can anyone see like a missing closing tag I've got? So let's just do just for a second. So div, that's fine. Let's close that one. Div spawn. Something feels really wrong that it's got like an error here. Still got an error. I'm also going to delete comments just to make sure they're not doing anything weird. Spawn, div, if, spawn, div, spawn, else, spawn, div. Div is for the card body, so I can close that one. Div, A. Ah, it's still not right. I've got 4 minutes to fix it. Like, why does the card footer stop? Have I got like a random A tag somewhere? No. Find. A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I am totally lost. Also, I'm pretty sure card has display block on, so I don't know why I need not display block, display flex. Display grid even. I got prettier installed. No refactoring available. I really don't like prettier. Like, why does it put this random closing span here? That's like really confused me. I would do that. I got a different formatter. Oops. No, HTML. Extensions, EJS. Oh, that looks terrible. Auto detect. Let's get rid of that class as well. Div image. Don't need that, but I'll put it on. Ooh, that's gotten even worse, hasn't it? Links are fine. Huh. Yeah, I might have to call it a day. I might send it to ChatGTP to see if it can spot my error, because I'm just oblivious to it. I don't know what I've done. As does. Well, I've not got that written in my code, have I? No. Double checking. I do write some stuff. That's not an issue. The non-event show less. It's happening on all of them, isn't it? So it's not the description issue. I actually have no idea what I've done. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day there. My mind is absolutely fried. Hit a wall and I don't know what I've done. Yeah, kind of made some progress. Kind of went back like 12 steps. We'll see. But I'll probably do more code streaming next week, next Sunday again. I don't think I'll have time to do any more in between. That's really bugged me. But yeah, thanks everyone for coming along and viewing, and yeah, it was nice and fun. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Hope you have a good day.